Isang Pilipino ang kabilang sa mga nakatanggap ng King Charles III Coronation Medal mula sa Government of British Columbia kamakailan. Ang kahulugan ng paghilalang ito para sa kababayang si Gary Leasing sa report ni Rhea Santos.
I really am grateful to be able to receive this and take a moment in the work I do and to soak into this moment of gratefulness.
Isa si Gary Leasing ng Pinoy Pride Vancouver Society sa 551 individual na tumanggap ng King Charles III Coronation Medal mula sa gobyerno ng British Columbia. Medalyon na ibinibigay sa mga natatanging individual na malaki ang kontribusyon sa komunidad. Si Leasing ay isa sa mga board members ng Pinoy Pride Vancouver Society na nagsusulong ng mga advokasya para magkaroon ng mas ligtas na espasyo ang mga miyembro ng 2S LGBTQ+ community.
I work in HIV and addiction. I work in a department for a nonprofit that does that, and I at times share my story with individuals that really gets them motivated to get better. I do value my live life experiences.
Sinasalamin daw ng pagkilalang ito ang pagbangon niya sa mapait na bahagi ng kanyang buhay at naging malaking tulong ang suporta ng mga nauna sa kanya sa Pinoy Pride Vancouver Society.
It's almost like a redemption story for me. I was really isolated and alone. I fell into addiction, and which I almost was homeless at that period of time. I needed someone that would not judge me or not criticize me, but also support me and listen and understand. And it was Pinoy Pride that I did disclose. They were the first people that I just shared my struggle with addiction, and they were very welcoming, and they were very supportive. And in the last 12 years, I made really mindful and really strategic decisions for myself to get better. And this is the reason why my family celebrates this with me, is because they know the struggle I had in the last 12 years.
Pagpapaigting ng suporta sa mental health ang prioridad ng Pinoy Pride, maging ang pagrespeto sa confidentiality at privacy ng kanilang mga miyembro.
We forget that that it's not our position to out people in the community. It's a journey. It's been a journey for me in many different layers, and since for the last 52 years of what does coming out looks like. Each year is different. Each experience is different, and it's really my experience of how I want to be echoed out in community.
Nagpapasalamat si Leasing sa mga nagtiwala at naniwala sa kanya, lalo na sa kanyang mga magulang na nasaksihan ang kanyang tagumpay.
Both my mother and my father have been very supportive in the work I do in community, and they've been very, very kind and patient with me. And this kind of paid off for their dedication and being such a great support in my life. I'm very grateful to have, I think I have one of the best parents in the world, both my mom and my father.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.